Do you want to speak English confidently?
Today's story will show you how easy and fun learning English can be.
Hello, friends.
Welcome back.
This is Simple English Lab.
We are happy you are here.
Please subscribe
Please like.
and please share.
Thank you so much.
Okay, Daniel, are you ready?
Yes, I am ready.
Today's topic is very useful.
What is the topic?
The topic is Tell me about yourself. Hi, Daniel, how are you today?
Hi, Emma. I'm fine.
Okay, first tell me your name and age.
Yes, of course. My name is Daniel. I am 25 years old.
Nice. And where do you live?
I live in New York City. It is big and busy.
Do you live with family?
Yes, I live with my parents and my younger sister. She goes to school.
That's nice. Do you like living with your family?
Yes, I like it. My family is very kind. We eat together. We talk in the evenings.
That's lovely.
Yes. And what about you, Emma?
My name is Emma. I am 23. I live in Chicago.
Do you live with family?
Yes, I live with my mother and my older brother.
That's nice. And what do you do?
I am a university student. I study English literature.
Very good. Do you like studying?
Yes, I enjoy it. I love reading novels and learning about writers.
Great.
Now we know each other a little. I like talking about simple things first.
Yes, it is good. Talking like this makes me feel confident.
Exactly. Next time we can talk more about our daily life.
Sure, I am ready.
Hi, Daniel. How are you today?
Hi, Emma. I am good. And you?
I am fine too. Daniel, can you tell me about your day?
Yes, I wake up at 6. I wash my face. I brush my teeth.
Very good. What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat bread and eggs. Sometimes I eat rice.
And after breakfast,
I go to work. I take the bus. It takes 30 minutes.
what do you do at work?
I work in a small office. I answer calls. I write emails. I help my manager.
Do you like your job?
Yes, it is not hard. I learn new things every day.
That's good. And after work?
I go home. I eat dinner. Then I watch TV. Sometimes I read a book.
Very nice. Do you do anything else?
Yes, I study English. I take evening classes. I watch short videos. I read easy books. I practice speaking.
Very good. And what about weekends?
On weekends, I walk in the park. I play football with my friends. I relax.
That sounds fun. I wake up at 7. I drink coffee. Then I go to university. I study English literature.
That's interesting. Do you like your studies?
Yes, I enjoy reading novels. I learn about different writers.
Great. And after university?
I sometimes paint. I cook. I watch English movies. I also talk with friends.
Nice. It seems both our days are busy.
Yes, but we try to speak English every day. That helps us improve.
True. Talking about our daily life is good practice.
Exactly. Next time we can talk about our hobbies and interests.
Sure, I am ready.
Hi, Daniel. How are you today?
Hi, Emma. I am fine. And you?
I'm good. Daniel, can we talk about our hobbies today?
Yes, that sounds fun.
Okay, what do you like to do in your free time?
I like reading books. I like short stories. I also listen to music, soft music. It makes me calm.
Nice. Do you do any sports?
Yes, I play football with my friends. On weekends, I like walking too.
That's great. Walking in the park is very nice.
Yes, I feel happy when I walk. And you, Emma? What are your hobbies?
I like painting. I sometimes paint pictures of nature.
Very nice. What else do you like?
I like cooking. I try new recipes. I also watch movies in English.
That's interesting. Watching movies helps your English too.
Yes, it helps me learn new words and I enjoy it.
Very good. Do you like music?
Yes, I like pop music. It makes me feel happy.
Nice. It seems both of us like creative things.
Yes, hobbies make life fun. They help us relax.
True. And talking about hobbies is good for English practice.
Exactly. I enjoy listening to you talk.
Thank you, Emma. I enjoy talking too.
Do you have a favorite hobby, Daniel?
Yes, reading books, stories about life, they teach me lessons.
That's very nice. I think reading is a very good hobby.
Yes. And your favorite hobby?
Painting, it makes me feel calm and creative.
Great. We both have hobbies that help us improve.
Yes. Next time we can talk about our childhood memories.
Sure. That'll be interesting.
Hi, Daniel. How are you today?
Hi, Emma. I am good. And you?
I'm fine too. Daniel, can we talk about childhood today?
Yes, I like that. Childhood is fun.
Okay. Where did you grow up?
I grew up in a small town near New York. It was quiet, very peaceful.
Sounds nice. Did you play a lot?
Yes. I played football with friends. I rode my bicycle. I also helped my mom in the garden.
That's great. Did you like school?
Yes, I liked reading and drawing. I did not like math very much, but my teacher was kind.
Nice. Do you remember one special moment from school?
Yes. Once I read a long story in front of the class. I was nervous, but I finished it. My parents were proud. I felt happy and brave.
That must have been a good feeling.
And you?
I grew up in Chicago. I have an older brother. We played together a lot.
Did you have a favorite game?
Yes, I liked painting and drawing. I also liked reading small books.
That's interesting. Did you like school?
Yes, I liked English class the most. I loved learning new words.
That's nice. Childhood memories are very important.
Yes, they make us who we are today.
True. Talking about childhood is fun.
Yes. Next time we can talk about our dreams and future.
Sure. I am ready.
Hi, Daniel. How are you today?
Hi, Emma. I'm good. And you?
I'm fine. Daniel, can we talk about our dreams today?
Yes, I like that. Dreams are important.
Okay, what is your dream, Daniel?
I want a better job, a job where I can learn more.
That's good. And your future plans?
I want to travel to a new country. I want to speak English very well. I study little by little.
Very nice. What else do you want in the future?
I want to save money. I want to help my family. I want to be happy.
That's great.
And you?
I want to become a good teacher. I want to help students learn English.
Very good. And your other dreams?
I want to visit England. I want to see the places I read in books.
Nice. Dreams make life exciting.
Yes, and they help us work hard.
True. What small steps do you take for your dream?
I study hard. I read English books. I practice speaking every day.
That's smart. I also study every evening. I read short stories. I speak with friends.
Very good. Little by little, we reach our dreams.
Yes, dreams need patience and effort.
Exactly.
Sure, that will be helpful.
Hi, Daniel. How are you today?
Hi, Emma. I am fine. And you?
I'm good. Today, can we talk about challenges?
Yes, challenges are important. We learn from them.
Okay, what is a challenge you faced recently?
I had a small problem at work. I made a mistake in a report.
Oh, how did you feel?
I felt nervous. I was worried. But I told my manager. He helped me correct it.
That's good. What did you learn?
I learned to check my work carefully. And I learned to ask for help if needed.
Very nice. I also face challenges when I speak English.
Yes, I feel the same. Sometimes I make mistakes, but we practice. Slowly, we improve.
Exactly. Small steps help us a lot.
True, and talking in front of people is also challenging.
Yes, how do you introduce yourself to new people?
I say, "Hi, I am Daniel. I am 25. I live in New York. I work in a small office. I like reading and music."
That's very clear, and I say, "Hi, I am Emma. I am 23. I live in Chicago. I study English literature. I like painting and cooking."
Short and simple, easy to remember.
Yes, practice makes it better.
Talking about ourselves every day also helps.
True, we feel more confident.
Yes, challenges make us strong.
And slow, small sentences help beginners learn English.
Exactly. Let's keep practicing every day.
Yes, we will improve little by little.